What's up guys, E46 M3. We got a couple of upgrades that I wanted to go ahead and make an episode out of. I went ahead and sought me out a Megan Racing Section 1 mid-pipe, and these things are hard to come by right now because I've been calling the manufacturer asking them when they will be available. They're on back order. They have been on back order for like over a year now, and I noticed a lot of people online like to advertise them for sale, but you go to order them and then turns out they're like a second party vendor, and then they message you back that they're not in stock and then give you a refund. So lucky for me, looking on Facebook Marketplace, I ran into this used part right here. It was just a Section 1 and I got it for 300 bucks, and I jumped on it. He says it's only got 3,000 miles on this mid pipe. So considering it a budget buy, I went ahead and got it, and I sought me out a section number 2 pipe, and I went ahead and used Turner Motorsports, and they sell a lot of legit BMW products, and I went ahead and got the Section 2 mid pipe with the resonator in the back to help quiet down the rasp. And on top of that, we got all new gaskets and stuff like that, hardware, and I went ahead and purchased a Shark tuner. This is the newest version. Alright guys, so here's the mid pipe underneath my car. It is all factory. I do have Megan Racing catless headers up front and a Megan Racing axle back system on the car. And with this configuration, I don't like the rasp that it produces, so hopefully replacing Section 1 and Section 2 with all baffles will quiet that down a little bit and make things a little bit more enjoyable for me to drive this more often in traffic. So that's the goal of it. All right, let's go ahead and take these off, and then we'll replace them with those, and then we'll see what it sounds like afterwards. not bad.
Huh?
It's not bad. Okay, I was just making sure it's recording.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's not bad. It's pretty fun.
Yeah, this is different. All right, go.
Okay.
Yes, so I got third. Second place was Shannon Petrie with a 47,391. Check the decals, my friend.
No, he's a lot younger than me, but my son is probably.
So they're raising the boom truck. They're gonna take a group photo of all of us by our cars. It's everybody that came out today for the CCA event here in Hobbs, New Mexico. Cool. And I believe they're gonna let us take some passes on the drag strip, so pretty cool. So we got a Skyline against a Mustang 5.0 Fox body, a R35. So we got a Chevy SS and Eric in his Toyota Supra, or BMW Supra. And Eric won that one.
That's not the first time they've run each other.
I'm not going to be running my M3 because my M3 threw chunks out of the rear tire, so I need to make it home safe. I'm not going to go ahead and run it on the track. I want to, but I'm afraid that if I do that, it'll mess my tires up even more and I might not make it home.
Y'all ready?
See my tire, there you go. So for that reason, I'm not gonna go on a drag strip and run it. I'm worried about this tire, you know, blowing out on me on the way home, so I'm gonna play it safe. I want to go out there and play, but I can't do it. It's Eric Supra versus the R35 Skyline. Sorry about the zoom, guys. I don't have no zoom on this thing. Luigi with the K24A swap versus a Chevy SS. Alright guys, so did well on the SCCA Autocross. I got second in my class, 10th overall, and I did that on all season tires. So I applaud this car. I can't wait till I get me some good sticky rubber tires, and you know, it's gonna handle like a whole different car, and I'm not gonna know how to act, but I try to do as best I can with the setup that I have, and all season tires in an autocross event just does not work out too well. And the mid pipe, I love it. The rasp is gone, and the shark tuner that I have, it will not load into the car because I do have parameters changed on the DME, and once the shark tuner detected that, it gave me an error code, which is 143, and 143 states it's not a stock DME. So for that reason, it would not load. So I got to get with Turner Motorsports and see if there's something they can do so that I can get that tune loaded in the car, because I was really looking forward to that. But all the rasp is gone, and the car did well once again. So once I get me some good rubber tires for this thing, I keep saying rubber tires, of course they're rubber, but getting me some new performance tires on this car will change a lot of that. So anyway, until the next one, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Peace out.